Hi, in this video I am going to show you some tips and tricks in journal voucher. I will create one journal voucher first. For example, I will select a raw material. I am leaving the particulars blank. The particulars came from the last particulars I used against this account automatically. This is one of the tricks. I am entering an amount here. Then I press enter again to go to the second line. In the second line, I am leaving the account number blank. Then I press enter, the account number is automatically filled. It's coming from the last credit account used against the raw material consumed in the last transaction. And the credit amount automatically appears as soon as your focus reaches the credit column. Okay. Next one, creating a new JV, selecting an account. I'm at the particulars. In particulars, there are two different types of lookups. There are three different types of lookups. One lookup is giving you automatically the last particulars you typed for expense for the week, whatever it is, the last one you probably used while creating the journal entries. This list is automatically populated and you can remove it by just focusing and pressing the delete button from the list. When you don't need it anymore, you can select and press the delete button on the keyboard. Secondly, there is another lookup. When the particulars is blank, pressing the space bar will bring all the particulars so far we have used in the journal voucher in a lookup window where you can select any particulars. Petty cash. You type anything and it will filter and you can use that particulars. This is another option, the second option. The third option is creating a new journal. I'm selecting an account and in particulars you press enter a dot, then type part of a sentence like petty, a word. Then after entering a dot and type any word being the part of a particulars which you have entered before, then press enter, will give you a filtered list of all petty you have used so far. In this list also you can still focus or search for a particulars and select it against petty cash. Against petty cash, I select. Okay, and okay, this is what. These are the three options in particulars window, particulars column, and I'm going to the debit amount column now. In the debit amount column, you have an option for two types of calculator. One calculator, as you see, by clicking here you can activate a calculator. Before that I will show you another calculator. When you are in the debit column, just press the plus button on your keyboard, will give you a formula builder, formula generator, or what you can call evaluate. We call it in the programming language, we call it the evaluation window, where you can type 10 plus 10 into 10 by 4. You put anything, this will evaluate and give you the result. And also I'm leaving the, okay. Another option I will show you. Let me start a new general voucher. Raw material consumed. In particulars, I am entering, for example, drill bit 3-inch boss at 50 dirhams from Hilti. Debit amount automatically came. From where it came? It came from the particulars you entered. From the particulars you entered, 50 drill bit from Hilti. Okay. And now there is let me go back to the debit again. And I select the second type of calculator where you can enter amount line by line just by pressing enter. When you finish entering, you can simply press the F3 to save, F5 to clear, and F6 to record. I'm pressing F3 and the amount will be there in the debit column. Okay, another option, not another option, the same way I will just explain once more the particulars where you can enter also same thing, drill bit 30 into 5 150. This 150 will be taken as the debit amount. There is another option that you might have seen, that the credit amount will automatically come. Whatever you enter here, the credit will come automatically. And okay, this is all about automatic populated debit and credit and particulars. And as you know, in the date also you have so many options like year for beginning of year. This you can see always in the calendar. You can select the date, and also there is one more option where you can retain a value or retain values by selecting a journal voucher. Then click enter. All the values will be retained so that you don't have to reselect the accounts or the particulars. You can only change the date and you can only change the amount, whatever information you want to change. You will be creating a new journal voucher. That's all for the time being. I don't remember anything more than this. Thank you for watching.